Strength is largely an adaptation of the nervous system. There's a notion that if you want to get really strong, you just got to lift as much as possible. This isn't exactly true. In the initial stages, the main developments of strength are going to come from optimizing technique. Stick around and I'm going to teach you the 6 different ways that your body becomes stronger that you've never heard of before.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
To get really strong, you need to understand the relationship that your nervous system plays in the process. Now, aside from the muscle hypertrophy, which is the thickening of the muscle fibers, basically your muscles getting bigger, there are 6 adaptations that occur that make you stronger. Now, the first is recruitment. Recruitment refers to the number of motor units being recruited in a movement to produce strength. Think of a motor unit like the starter motor in a car that kicks in to start the engine when you turn the key. Firing rate is a decrease in the time between each electrochemical signal sent to the corresponding muscle to create muscle contractions. Hey there, in case we haven't met, my name's Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and co-creators of the UMS, the Unified Movement System, where we make driven people strong, flexible and fit with 1-hour daily workouts. If you want to know how we do it, there's 3 options for you below. You can grab one of our free blueprints, the Strength Blueprint, Flexibility Blueprint, Nutrition Blueprint, or the At-Home Workout Blueprint. And that'll give you some really amazing insights into the way that we program and the philosophies that we use at Unity Gym. If you want to grab one of our programs, click the link, visit our library. You can get flexibility programs, strength programs, calisthenics programs, skills programs. There's a lot of different stuff, rehab programs as well. And hey, if you're ready to get serious about your coaching and work with me and my team directly, you can join our Unify Movement System online coaching program. There's a link there in the description for a free trial, plus a sweet deal if you decide to stay on with us after the trial. Hope to see you soon. Intramuscular contraction is a decrease in the amount of time of different motor units contracting together. Intramuscular coordination is a decrease in the amount of time of each motor units working together. Intermuscular coordination is how effectively timed the different muscles in a movement are fired. Antagonist inhibition is a reduction in the use of an opposing muscle in a movement. Motor learning refers to the neural development and programming within the brain that will affect your ability to learn new movements. Now, once you understand this, and I don't expect you to understand it to be able to go into the gym and think, oh, I'm applying one of these 6 principles here. That's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is that you just need to really take home from this is that there is so much more going on in the development of strength than just making your muscles bigger or lifting as much as you possibly can. And it all boils down to technique optimization, which means repetition, repetition, repetition. And not just any reps, only good quality reps count. It is very important that when you train, you understand the importance of what failure means and what good failure means. A lot of people talk about going to failure when they train, and there is a place for it, but it's much more important to understand how to maintain good technique right through your set. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.